Learn how UCM reports the information on your 1098-T form and where you can find your copy. For this tax year, federal guidelines continue to permit colleges to report according to when the student is billed or when the tuition is paid. UCM chooses to report according to the bill date. Since students enrolled for spring semester will be billed in December, the qualified tuition and expenses for spring will appear on this year's 1098-T. Exceptions occur only if the student enrolls in January because billing begins after enrollment during this time period. Please pause to review the items that are included or omitted from the totals on your 1098-T form. Copies of the official UCM bills may be found in My Central on the Student Services tab within the Payment Center. Here, you may review omitted items that were charged to the student account. The 1098-T form for the year ending in December will be mailed to the home address on file no later than the last day of January, unless you have previously elected to receive the 1098-T electronically. If you did not select the electronic option nor receive the paper copy in the mail, you will be able to retrieve your 1098-T online at ecsi.net. If you have chosen the fastest method, electronic delivery, you may retrieve a copy of the 1098-T within the UCM Payment Center. If you would like an electronic copy in the future, you may select this option in the Payment Center. In order to comply with 1098-T submission regulations, UCM is required to provide the Social Security number of the enrolled student to the IRS. Students without a Social Security number on file must complete an IRS Form W-9S and return it to Student Financial Services no later than the end of December. Want to know more about the two types of tax credits available? Please visit the IRS's website. Since it is the responsibility of the taxpayer to determine eligibility, consider seeking the advice of a qualified tax preparer if unsure.